Hey everyone, Susan Choi from the Food Institute here. We always want to stay on top of the latest innovations in the food and beverage industry, and the Weber brand is no exception. I am here with Roberto Carvajal. He is the VP GM of Weber's gas grill business, and he is here with us today to talk about the new Spirit grill line for 2025. Roberto, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
It is new, it's gleaming, it's ready to go. Okay, so tell us, what is new about the Spirit grill line for 2025?
I need to start by telling you that it's the 30th anniversary. This Spirit line is 30 years old, and it's the #1 selling gas grill line in the world. But it all starts with 3 core principles at Weber. Safety, so think about thoughtful engineering for peace of mind. Performance, and then reliability. It needs to light the first time somebody picks it up, as well as 5 years down the road or more for that year-on-year reliability, and always backed up by our best-in-class warranty.
Weber has a lot of products, a lot of lines. What makes the Spirit line stand out from Weber's other lines?
So we have more than 10 models in our line, and we start at the $399 price point all the way to the $799 price point. So if you think of what this grill has, it has a great design. For the first time, every one of our Spirit grills has a closed card to enclose that gas tank, has a unique design, has these really unique touch points for this. But the magic happens where the food is cooked. We have proprietary gas valves that allow you to control the grill like only we can. We have evenness of heat in this grilling space that is bar none. If you notice, there's a sear zone in this area of the grill. This area, the larger sear zone in this market at the most affordable price point. Just in that area, we can reach temperatures of 750 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now, the Spirit line has been around for quite some time, for 30 years.
For 30 years.
So how does the Spirit line encompass the heart of Weber, the very soul of Weber, if you will?
The soul of Weber, for all of us at Weber, is the uncompromising quality, durability, but the performance. There's a few elements of Spirit that are new. Every one of these valves ignites with what we call snapjet ignition. For every one of these, to guarantee the reliability of that ignition through and through, day in and day out. We have a built-in digital thermometer for accuracy of temperature. There's an accessory integration module. We call it Weber Works. Something that you can load up in your kitchen, and instead of carrying a lot of bottles, bring it all the way outside, put it in, and expand what you can do with the grill. And this could be attachments on the outside, and they're throughout our Spirit line, or something you can drop in to this area, and just like I said, with a cutting board or with a tub where you can bring, let's say, some skirt steaks that are marinated directly into the grill.
Intentionality, quality, affordability, great new line, great brand. Roberto Carvajal, VP GM of Weber's gas grill business. Roberto, thanks again for joining me and for explaining to me this wonderful new line.
Happy to do it.